Hey, it's Gina with WTI. My absolute favorite thing about this cordless vacuum from MIUZZY is that the battery lasts so long. If you're like me and have had cordless vacuums in the past, the battery only lasted for like 15 minutes and then I would have to charge it. Secondly, this vacuum is powerful and it's lightweight. I love that I can pick it up, move it around easily. It's not like lugging around a ton of bricks. I'm 5'4" and the stick on this is adjustable. I just have to move it up a little bit and then it's very comfortable to use. So even if you're much taller than me, there is room so that it is comfortable for you to use also. I really like the position of the buttons on this vacuum. They're on the front and you can use your thumb to access them. I like that position because it's not somewhere I might accidentally press it. To me, there is something that is so satisfying about hearing this vacuum suck up debris off of my carpet or laminate floors. I primarily use this vacuum on my wool rug, and then I have laminate floors throughout the rest of my very small home, and I am just super delighted with how well this vacuum functions. We also have an inside-outside cat, and we live on a farm, so we get a lot of dirt, dust, debris, hair, and this takes care of it all. It's so easy to empty, and there's no bag, which I love because then I'm not wasting money on other things. This is just self-sufficient. Vacuuming is such a breeze with this MIUZZY cordless vacuum. I love it, and that's my point of view.